Hello dear students, in this lecture we will see the hierarchical database system architecture. In previous video we have seen that hierarchical database system architecture is the combination or hybrid of shared memory, shared disk or shared nothing architecture. So these are all the different architectures which are connected via the communication network, interconnection communication network. So hierarchical combines the characteristics of shared memory, shared disk and shared nothing architecture. It depends upon the application which type of combination we are going to use. Top level is shared nothing architecture. Because in shared nothing architecture, nodes connected by an interconnection network and do not share disk or memory with each other. Each node of the system could be shared memory system with a few processors. Alternatively, each node could be a shared disk system and each of the system sharing a set of disks could be shared memory system. So as this is the combination of different types of architecture that we have seen already, this is known as hybrid architecture or hierarchical architecture. It reduces the complexity of programming such systems by distributed virtual memory architectures, and one of these architectures is NUMA architecture, that is non-uniform memory architecture. So in this way, in previous videos we have seen different types of parallel database system architectures like shared memory, shared disk, shared nothing and hierarchical. In shared memory, only memory is shared. In shared disk, 2 or 3 disks are shared among different processors and memories. You can see in the diagram that different processors have its own private memory. And in shared nothing architecture, there is a separate combination of processor, disk and memory. So this combination, one of these combination is known as node. So each node consists of the processor, it has its own private memory and it has its own disk. So this is shared nothing architecture because not a single component has been shared here. That's why it is called as shared nothing architecture. And hierarchical architecture, that we have seen already, that hierarchical architecture is the hybrid combination of shared memory, shared nothing or shared disk architecture. Thanks for listening.